everybody, welcome back to my channel, and if you are new here, I'm Alicia, lover of makeup and glam rock. The votes are in. Thank you all who participated. Every Saturday I will be posting 2 products in my Instagram stories, and you all will have a chance to vote which one is your favorite. Also, keep on watching to find out how you can get featured in next week's video. Just a reminder, give this video a thumbs up, and now let's talk about the products. Before that, I want to show you off my Halloween costume. I'm Link from the video game Zelda. It is very fun, one of my favorite ones. So this costume I got at Hot Topics. They usually sell like outfits that are more like dresses. Let me show you. It's cute. And it has the back side. It has the shield. It's pretty awesome. It's pretty awesome. Just something fun for you guys to see me in a costume each week. Celebrating Halloween, of course, one of my favorite holidays. I got my little pumpkin here too with spikes. Yeah, so let's get back to the products. First product up is Truly Superstar Acne Patches. Yeah. The size of this is basically 18 acne patches in here. And just to let you know, this is the Superstar one. They do have heart shapes and they have hemp ones as well. Just remember that all 3 of those do have different ingredients. For example, the hemp one, of course, has hemp in it. Every one of them has different ingredients. If you're looking for certain ingredients, look on the back, double check. Another thing I wanted to point out, on their website, yes, 18 patches, that's the one you want to click on. They do have a 36 patches, but again, even that has different ingredients. They are still star shaped, but it's a totally different thing. And the name on the cover is different as well. So this one is Truly Superstar Acne Patches. And the 36 one is Scar Prevention Acne Patches. So heads up when you're shopping for these. Because for a second there, I legit thought they were the same thing. And I was like, well, instead of buying the 18 one, I'll buy the 36 one next time. Nah, different things, different ingredients.
Little tricky.
Can be purchased at trulybeauty.com and only at ultabeauty.com. I did find them in the store, so it's just not online. It's also at their stores. This is around $17. It is starting to say limited stock now, so they are probably selling out fast. I think everybody's loving these. So if you want to get them now. Get them right after this video. Whenever. If you don't, that's fine. You don't have to buy them. No expiration date, which is strange, but considering that they do have ingredients, I would say try to just make sure you keep using them within, I would say, around 12 months. Maybe even up to 24 months. Should be fine. After that though, the ingredients are probably not going to be as strong, so you probably want to use them right away. Free of harsh chemicals, drying formulas, and even drug-free. And of course, cruelty-free and vegan. And it is considered clean beauty. It is queen of pimple patches and has retinol and salicylic acid in it. This super patch should help remove any blemishes and help prevent with your scarring or any hyperpigmentation. It has hydrocolloids in it to help drain the fluid in the zits and even will help your freshly popped zits as well. So if you accidentally pop one, go ahead and place one of these on there. Clean it first and then put one of these on there. The retinol in this should help speed your cell turnover rate so that it can become smaller and even a little bit less red. And of course, it has salicylic acid in it to help exfoliate your skin. Basically, taking off all those dead skin cells, all that flakiness and everything that's on the face, anything that clogs up the pores. This should help it disappear or slowly disappear and have your skin back to normal. Now what you want to do is go ahead and wash your face, cleanse it in the water, with the water, and I would say skip the moisturizer, skip the toner, leave all of that out. Whatever your regular routine is, don't do it. Just use the cleanser. Have your face nice and dry. I usually like to do this overnight, but sometimes if I have really bad skin and there's a really big, huge pimple on a day where I'm not going anywhere, I do it during the day. And it should only be on your skin for 6 hours. So if you want to time yourself, make sure you keep track of when you put it on. 6 hours later, go ahead, take it off the pimple. And the next day, if you still need to somewhat make the pimple smaller, you can go ahead and place another one. It's okay. Now what you're going to do is they come in little packs like this, and you're going to peel the star off. So you peel it off, you see the pimple, and you stick it on there. Like this. Without the plastic, of course. Now also just want to mention to remember that it is highly recommended to use on pimples that have any fluid in them or big pus ones, because it may not work as well. I usually always get the ones that are just under the skin, like I have one here. Right there. It's under the skin. You can't see any pus. It's basically just looks like it's part of my skin. I've tried using these items for it. It helped a little bit. But other than that, very highly recommended, more for the ones that are sticking out. Now on to the next ones. Should I just leave it on here? Just kidding. Next one up, it's called Peace Out Acne. Woo woo. This has 20 healing dots in it. So once you open this up, they actually have packages that you have to cut open. As you can see, I've been using these like crazy. So you unzip this, open it up, and voila, there they are. And I liked how they have the little peace sign in there too. That's pretty cool. Can be purchased at peaceoutskincare.com and of course Sephora. It is $19 and the expiration date has it right here, November 5th, 2021. So these dates are very specific. It even has the month, the day that you have to get rid of it. So I think I got this maybe early 2020, maybe December of 2019, I can't remember. So now it's almost time actually, November 5th. So I gotta finish these fast. I think I only have 8 more. Yeah. So it'll be finished. It lasted a long time, which is pretty good. In the neighborhood. It is free of gluten, SLS, SLES, formaldehyde, phthalates, irritating alcohols, and even, of course, synthetic fragrance. Not sure if you guys are going to be smelling these pimple patches, but I don't think fragrance is needed really. And of course, vegan, cruelty-free, and clean as well. Clean beauty. Wow. This anti-acne pimple dot should help soothe and reduce the redness of the pimple. So overnight, after you put these on, you wake up in the morning, the blemish should look a little less red and, as they say, a little bit less annoying. Apparently, 91% people who have tried this say it's a little less red and a little less annoying. Interesting. They also have more stats saying 91% see that it's gotten more healed, and 95% says that it did soothe their skin. And another 95%, probably the same 95%, says that they don't feel the need to pick at their pimple, their blemish, their spot. But of course you are covering it up, so you'll stay there, you can't pick at it because it's covered up, It has 0.5% salicylic acid in it to help penetrate the pores and clear the blemishes. Has vitamin A in it to help promote skincare or good looking skin. And to help soothe and reduce that redness, they have aloe vera leaf extract. So basically that's the one that's doing all the work. Also has retinol acetate in it and hydrocolloid polymer technology to help extract the impurities, and of course to guard external elements, which I guess pollution and everything out there, basically making a barrier for your skin. And of course it can be used on all skin types. Most of these pimple patches can be used on all skin types, just as long as you have a pimple. That's their main thing, their main goal that they want to get rid of.
Yeah.
Now again, you want to clean the skin. Make sure you use that cleanser nice from your face, even your neck. Go ahead and peel the dot off of this and place it onto your blemish. You can again wear it up to 6 hours or overnight. They do mention though that if you have any dryness, open skin, like open cuts, wounds, anything like that, or if you've done any peels or chemical exfoliations, anything like that to your skin, stop. Don't use this. Just give your skin a rest. Then after that's healed, go ahead and put this on. Might be a couple of days. I heard chemical peels are pretty strong. Okay, now for the results. And peace out, 67%, and truly is 33%. Woo! Congratulations, peace out. They are the winners. You are awesome. Everybody uses these. At least everybody I know uses these. They're pretty much there, right there in Sephora. So there it is. And if you're somebody who uses bandages at CVS with the hydrocolloid in it, that's fine as well. Works pretty good from what I've seen on YouTube at least. These guys, truly, I understand. They're new brand name. If you want something fun looking like these, go to Ulta. They have some pretty cool stuff. You should take a look. I also did another video with Truly products in it. If you go back a couple of videos, take a look at that. Yeah. Or maybe just watch my whole entire playlist of review videos. Whatever you want to do, it's fine. And there you go, that's it. Woohoo! Congratulations, peace out. I think I definitely like the aloe vera in this. That's nice. And truly, I definitely want to try those other star ones. See how they work out for me. Maybe I'll even try the hemp ones. I don't know. I hardly use hemp things. I did a review about hemp oil for the skin that I loved. I actually really like. So, like I said, if you want to go back to my videos a while back ago, take a look at which product I am talking about. Won't say anything. You gotta take a look yourself. But anyways, now it's your turn. Go ahead in the comments below. Tell me which one you liked. Upside down. If you like the peace out, let me know if you've used them. Let me know if you tried them at all, actually. Or if you've used the Truly ones, I want to see that. Go ahead and let me know. I did also make a video, a TikTok, where I used these overnight. It's on my TikTok, so you gotta see that there. Come say hi to me. I just hit 100 followers. Woo woo! Thank you so much to all my TikTok people out there. Thank you. Anyways, what was I saying? Yeah. So pick one. Tell me in the comments below, and then you can get featured in next week's video. And yes, you do have to pick one. A lot of people have been telling me I would love to use both of them, but yeah, you gotta pick one, which is great and all, but I want to hear from you if you have any experiences with one that you've used. Let's have a conversation and see why you loved it so much. And that's all for now. See you guys next week. Keep on loving makeup and keep on rocking. Bye.